Hi, this is Andrew from Sydney Private Guided Tours. If you want to have a rest and get away from the busy, noisy Sydney airport, here is a secret walking route. Whether you are coming from exit A on the left or exit B on the right, head outside towards the P7 parking area. It can be a tricky way out, so follow along carefully, walk to the elevators and take them up to level 1. Once you reach level 1, it is very important to exit to your left. You will pass the rideshare pickup area and the P7 parking. From here, it is about a 1 kilometre walk straight away from the airport. Soon you will cross a bridge over the Cooks River. You might even see some local geese, but remember, no feeding. After crossing the bridge, if you walk to the right, you will reach a lookout where you can watch the aircraft taking off and landing. There is also a beautiful green area with a huge playground, which is perfect for kids if you have a long stopover. If you keep walking straight ahead, you will enter a local residential area with cafes and shops. These offer much cheaper food and many more options than the airport. I just checked the distance and this relaxing park is only 950 meters from the terminal.
And it's me, Sydney Private Guided Tours.